I told you in the next video I will show you how to reduce this temperature to 80 or even 70°C without losing performance, without changing your cooler. So this method requires you to go to your BIOS. I grabbed some screenshots from my BIOS so I can show you how to apply this method. So as you can see, I have an Aorus motherboard. This is my BIOS. If you have something else, your BIOS may look slightly different. First, you have to go to your advanced mode. Then you have to find something called Precision Boost Overdrive. It's this one here. You will have to click it. Then you will see something like this. Those numbers on the left are the limit of temperature, and these level 1, level 2, up to 5. Those are the levels of undervolting the CPU. But if you want to stay like in the safe zone, just try level 1, level 2 in whatever temperature you want. So for me, I go with 70 with level 2 undervolt, as you can see here. After that, you have to go to save and exit. Then save, exit, turn on your PC and try it. So let's see the benchmark. Here we are after the benchmark. Here is side-by-side comparison. This is the first benchmark, and this is the new one. First thing, as you can see here, we got like about 6% more performance with like 26° less in temperature. And also, as you can see over here, the maximum clock was like 5.4 gigahertz. Here, just 5.2, but also we have got more performance, as you can see. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.